Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials, the exact keyboard model and your PC OS because driver behavior differs. Once done, close Fortnite and any overlays. These often hijack function keys. You then open Device Manager and Keyboard Settings to observe current driver versions and key mappings. This tells you whether to reinstall or remap. Make sure to document current settings so you can revert if needed, and keep your account credentials handy for any profile resets that follow. Next, you uninstall the keyboard driver, reboot, and let Windows install the default driver. This clears corrupted mappings. Once the system is stable, open the manufacturer utility and restore a clean FN profile. Do not enable auto updates yet, because updates can reintroduce the bug. Then, in Fortnite, explicitly assign keybinds for the functions that failed, overriding FN combos. This forces the game to listen to explicit keys, rather than relying on the FN modifier layer. Finally, you test changes in a private Fortnite match to confirm consistency in menus and gameplay. This checks latency and modifier behavior. If issues remain, perform a keyboard firmware factory reset and reapply a clean profile. This often kills persistent FN firmware bugs. Make sure to retest. If the problem persists, swap to another keyboard to determine whether the fault is hardware or software. This step isolates responsibility, so you can decide on repair, replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.